Is your job safe from AI? What if I told you the future of work isn't about robots taking over, but about an incredible transformation of almost every single role? Get ready to discover the surprising skills that will make you indispensable in an AI-powered world, and the traditional careers that are about to change forever. Feeling a little anxious about AI and your job security? You're not alone. We're diving deep into the radical shifts happening in the workplace right now and revealing the real impact AI will have on your career. Learn how to adapt, what to prioritize, and secure your place in the innovative economy of 2025 and beyond. Let's kick off with the reality check. AI isn't waiting for permission. It's already automating tasks across industries, and the pace is accelerating. In customer service, AI chatbots are handling fax and even spotting automation opportunities, slashing response times by 50% while freeing agents for complex issues. Data entry, dawn. Tools in manufacturing are processing invoices and logs with near-zero errors, boosting accuracy by 99%. In creative roles, generative AI is drafting marketing copy and initial designs, transforming how ad agencies work. But here's the sneaky part: the invisible AI. Many jobs are subtly influenced without fanfare. Think HR screening resumes with AI filters that quietly reject 75% of applicants before a human even sees them. Or sales teams using predictive analytics to prioritize leads without realizing their gut feel is now algorithm-driven. Up to 40% of employers are reducing workforces where AI automates routine tasks, often under the radar. But forget the robot apocalypse myth. It's not a total takeover, it's augmentation. AI handles the drudgery so humans can shine where it truly counts. So, which traditional roles are most vulnerable to full AI automation in the next 5 to 10 years? Data entry clerks top the list, with AI tools already replacing them in 70% of admin tasks. Telemarketers and basic customer service reps. Chatbots are projected to automate 85 million jobs globally by 2025, though new ones are emerging too. Even in manufacturing, 2 million workers could shift as AI handles diagnostics and logistics. 2/3 of US and European jobs face some AI exposure, but it's evolution, not extinction. Take middle management. AI is quietly eroding the analysis and reporting side. Gartner predicts 20% of organizations will eliminate half their middle management layers by 2026, shifting their focus to human-centric leadership like coaching and culture building. Managers today already spend 30% less time on admin thanks to AI dashboards. The good news? AI won't touch the human magic. Creativity for innovative breakthroughs, emotional intelligence for team motivation, critical thinking for nuanced decisions, and complex problem solving that requires real-world intuition. These are your superpowers in 2025. But AI isn't just a job eater. The super worker is here. AI can amp up productivity by 40%, turning marketers into strategy wizards or developers into architects with tools like code assistants. Real success stories? Walmart's AI-powered VR training boosted engagement by 30%, creating new hybrid trainer roles. IBM personalizes learning paths for its employees, spawning AI curriculum designers. And at Toyota, a Google Cloud AI lets factory workers build machine learning models on the fly, fostering a new generation of innovation specialists. These aren't cost cuts, they're opportunity explosions. Ready to bulletproof your career path? The so-called soft skills are now your hard currency. Adaptability tops the World Economic Forum's 2025 list, followed by continuous learning and AI collaboration. Think of lifelong upskilling as your competitive edge. In fact, 92% of employers now prioritize emotional intelligence over raw experience. You don't need to code like a pro. Technical literacy just means grasping AI's strengths, like data crunching and its blind spots, like empathy gaps. Platforms like Coursera offer free certifications in prompt engineering and AI ethics. You can start with just 30 minutes a day. Judgment, communication, and ethical savvy round out the toolkit for thriving in this new era. Let's tackle the fears head-on. Yes, AI displaces routines, but it opens doors to more fulfilling work. Half of entry-level white-collar roles may shift, yet 97 million new ones are expected to emerge by 2025. And the big win? AI automates the mundane, paving the way for better work-life balance. 71% of workers prefer AI-enhanced remote setups for that flexibility, with tools even monitoring burnout to keep things human-centric. 61% of leaders report that AI is already improving their lives through greater efficiency. Your action plan starts today. First, audit your current role for tasks that AI could augment. Next, enroll in a skill-building course. Then, start networking on LinkedIn to find AI collaboration opportunities. Experiment with tools like ChatGPT for small daily wins. The future is yours to shape. Drop a comment below. What's your first step to get ready? Subscribe for more career hacks, and let's turn AI anxiety into your biggest advantage. See you next time.